Peas in lake. Peas harder. Welp. Further increases bladder pressure. Dude, no. Suddenly reverts into original piss veal slowly. Oh, is that a new challenger I hear around the corner? New? Are you sure about that? Damn, you're right. Now back up before you force me to expose my ultimate power. XT, make me. I'm going to give you one chance to take that back. Nope, you have no fucking idea what you're up against. My dick enters a state of hyper-concentrated pressure and forces as I begin to melting a hole into the now god-forsaken area of land which I am begun to concentrating my stream towards. Where is she gone now? What is your next move? XD? You witness the world crumble apart as it seems, and yet your only response is a benevolent XD. Because fixes it. That's what the pussdick XD. You have forced the hand of God! May your fall moments be those of fear and resentment, and to consider where you fucked up and where you could correctly go in your next life. You begin to feel the universe tear and crumble at your feet as you witness with fear the colossal, jaw-dropping energy of my piss decimating each unfortunate atom it comes in contact with. This is truly the end. Prevent it. Yeah, I don't think so. Slap your dick. Ow, what the fuck? Why the fuck would you do that? Man, that really hurt. Well, sorry, cause it's your dick. Aw, man, it made me feel better now. Yay! What a truly beloved story of piss.